Hello again, this is kaxkeoranaturel. Still on the topic of dandruff. I want to talk to you about nature-based solutions. There are a lot of things that are in nature that help dandruff. So I could name off the bat, I could name a couple of them. So you have like tea tree solution, tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, rosemary, neem oil, natural oils like coconut, avocado oil, aloe vera, fenugreek, hibiscus, honey, lemon juice, yogurt, lactic acid, and then also doing a tea rinse. So what is peculiar, or what is similar about most of all these things I just mentioned, is that they all are antioxidants and they are antifungals. So you have like honey, you have apple cider vinegar, you have baking soda, neem oil, all these things, they actually help to quell the fungus if it's a fungus. And then when you're using these products, when you're using these options, you try to use them together with oils. I usually prefer you can use avocado oil, you can use coconut oil, olive oil. These oils help to, with mixing with some of all these ingredients, help to restore the oil on the scalp, and then also help to remove the flakiness. The work of the oil is to remove the flakiness, and the help of the tea tree oil, the apple cider, lemon juice, all these things contain vitamin C, they contain antioxidants, they contain antibacterial, so they help to not only treat the scalp but also quell the fungus and create a good atmosphere. Try to cleanse the scalp, detoxify it, and quell the fungus. So imagine if, for instance, these products are things that you usually add to your daily hair care, or your not just a daily, maybe weekly. If you use these things weekly over time, because dandruff is not something that goes all of a sudden. It actually goes with a change of lifestyle. So once you change your regimen and you try to add these things to your regimen, maybe once a week. If you're treating the dandruff, then you use this like once a week, every week. You'll notice change over time. And then also, if you're not having dandruff, and then you just add it to part of your hair care, maybe every time you're losing your hair or anytime you do something with your hair, you add these things. Like maybe after, for example, myself, I try to do a tea rinse. I do tea rinse. I use sometimes I use green tea. Most times I use green tea bags. So I draw them with a cup, and then I pour them as the last rinse over my hair. I just put my hair over the sink, and then I run it through my hair. I do that for myself. I do that for my kids as well. So that also helps. And then these things contain natural things that your hair follicles absorb and keep them healthier. So there are things. And then also, anytime I'm also trying to treat dandruff, we have oils that our company produces. These oils are a blend of oils. The oils have eucalyptus oil, and they help to saturate the scalp, to stimulate the hair follicles, and then help the scalp to produce, help the quell. Like I said, they have antioxidants, they have antibacterial, so they help to quell the fungus, and then also stimulate the hair follicles to produce hair. So any day I want to treat for dandruff, or I make it part of my hair regimen too. When I'm losing my hair, I do like a hot oil treatment. So I use the oil, I soak it up in my scalp, and then I wash it off, and then lastly I do a tea rinse. Also, amazingly, baking soda also works as well. That's also something else I've tried. And then if you don't want to get baking soda, you can use soda water. For us who are in Nigeria, there's Schweppes soda water. Yes, as your last rinse. Like if you don't want to do the tea rinse, you can use soda water. Soda water is a trick. So you just, after washing your hair, maybe after doing like the treatment, the last wash, and then after washing your hair with a non-sulfate shampoo, and then as a last rinse, you use the baking soda or the soda water. You do tea rinse. These are the ones. Then there is apple cider as well. You can rinse with apple cider. Rinse off your hair with apple cider. And then there's neem oil. Using neem oil to do the treatment. Or if you have neem leaves, you can boil the neem leaves, boil them, and then you use it as a last rinse also. So then you have hibiscus. Yes, zobo has a lot of vitamin C, has antioxidants, has antibacterial. So so that's when then truthfully, there's so many beautiful things in nature that can just help you, help your hair, help your life. So zobo, hibiscus leaves, very nourishing for hair. Then you have lemon juice. Yes, lemon juice works very well. So you can use mixed lemon juice with honey, rub it all over your scalp, wash it off. Yogurt, lactic acid. Remember that lactic acid is an anti-bacterial, antifungal as well. Then you have tea tree oil and fenugreek. So I've given you a lot of ideas. Go and mix and join. So these are ingredients that are also very good at helping with dandruff. So I've given you a lot of good tips. I've also told you what I do to prevent dandruff on my scalp. So now that you know, be free of dandruff. Happy freedom from dandruff. Yay. So the truth is that when you do these things, you have to adopt them as a lifestyle. You don't just do them and leave them. Over time, you'll see a lot of improvement with your hair and itchiness. So that's all for now. Bye. Don't fail to subscribe. Yes, bye.